Today's plug-and-play phrase is a juzgar por. You'll find this phrase useful for commenting on the weather based on how it looks outside, inferring how someone feels by their actions or expressions, predicting the outcome of a game or event based on the current score or performance. You can apply this phrase by changing what comes after it. For example, a juzgar por las nubes lloverá pronto. Judging by the clouds, it'll rain soon. A juzgar por su sonrisa, debe estar muy feliz. Judging by his smile, he must be very happy. A juzgar por los primeros minutos, este partido será emocionante. Judging by the first few minutes, this game will be exciting. Now let's have you give it a try. How would you say, judging by the dark clouds, it's going to rain tonight, in Spanish? A juzgar por las nubes oscuras, va a llover esta noche. How would you say, judging by the noise, they're having a lot of fun, in Spanish? A juzgar por el ruido, se están divirtiendo mucho. In Spanish-speaking cultures, a juzgar por is a common way to introduce a personal observation or opinion. This phrase helps people share their perspective in a way that shows they're thinking critically about their surroundings. Imagine you're at an art exhibit with friends. How would you use a juzgar por to comment on the artwork? How would you say, judging by the colors, the artist is very passionate? A juzgar por los colores, el artista es muy apasionado. Think about a personal goal or activity you're planning to do this month. How could you use a juzgar por with your family or at work? Let us know in the comments below. Now, try translating the following sentence into Spanish. Judging by my progress, I will be ready for the competition. A juzgar por mi progreso, estaré listo para la competencia. Are you ready to supercharge this phrase into your memory? I've commented below with the sentence using today's phrase. Take a look and let me know your response in Spanish. These interactions will deepen your understanding and fluency. Reflecting on today's phrase, a juzgar por, how comfortable do you feel using it now? Can you think of other situations where it might be useful? Share your plans or suggestions using this phrase in the comment section. Until we meet again, hasta la próxima.